Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera, salam satu Malaysia. My name is Mama Afiq Fikri Benzanawi, and this is my group member, Ashar Izzat bin Harum, Nur Ain binti Muhammad Yusuf, Arif Afif bin Abdul Aziz, Muhammad Elvin Adham. This video is the presentation for the real-time programming project. So the project, a brief about the project. The program must be able to read the data from a few PDF files and then calculate the number of words and characters in the file, display the statistic of the analyzed file every 1 second. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how the program will work. Okay, so the system will read the PDF file in a folder. There is two PDF files in the folder. The first one is test 1, the second is test 2, and then the text in the PDF. And this is the details about the two files, PDF files. The first one is said we have two PDF files, and then the number contained in the files, and then the total number of words in both of the files, and then we have how many character per word that is available in the files. So as example, we have a word with 8 character, and we have 5 of them. The next is the z-score for each of the character per word, and also the standard deviation. With all these value calculated, we can create the graph. As you can see earlier, the box plot and the line chart. Okay, the next thing I will do is I am going to present about the code, the class, the method that was used to create the program. So as you can see over here, we have 5 classes. Let's see the main one first. Okay, I use org apache.pdf box to read the PDF files, and also org.jfree to create the chart, both box plot and line chart. So let's go to the read PDF2 Java. So this is the main class actually. So as you can see over here, we have the directory of the folder that is contained the PDF file, and this is where it read the files. As long as there is file in the folder, it will keep reading and store it into the array. And then after that, the system will read in every file how many words in the file, in the PDF of each of the PDF file, and then store it in the array. Next, after the system store every words in the array, the system now will count how many how much the total of the number of character in all of the files, all of the PDF files. Next is this code is to read how many character per word that is available. As you can see earlier, we have 1 until 12 number character per word. Okay, the next is to count the standard deviation. So as you can see over here, we have the we use executor service, which is used to track. This is depend on one's device. If the device support for 4-thread, then you can change the value for 4. If you can support for 8, then we can change the value for 8, and then send it to callable class, which is the count char. The standard deviation, and then is to count the set score. This is also the same, which is using the set score array, and then push it in, and then call it into z score class. Okay, the next one is this code is to display all the graph that is set, which are the first one, the box plot, and the second one is the line chart. So this is the code for the line chart for the z-score graph. So you can see over here, we set all the style and the characteristic of the graph in this method, create chart, and then we store the data in the graph into this method, which is create dataset. This result is array for x-axis, and this is for y-axis. This x-axis is the number of character per word, and this sc.get is the total score, the z score for each of the character. And then this is the code for the box plot chart. So this is the characteristic set for the chart, and then this method is to put the data in the chart. So I will go to standard deviation class. As you can see over here, we implement callable. This is to call the data from the main class, and then use it to count the standard deviation. So you can see over here, we have the formula for the standard deviation, and then return it to the main class. And then for the count word, it's also the same. We use a callable, and then count all the words here, and then return it to the main class. We have the count character, also implementing the callable and calling for the data, and then the code for counting the character, then return the code. it is also the same for the score. As you can see over here, the score, it's retrieve the data from the main class and then calculate the score with the formula in the this is the code for the formula to count the score, and then it will return the value in array list, which is a score, because a score contains of many value. So let's take a peek on the PDF files. So this is the PDF files, which contain of 2 PDF files. Okay, this is all from me. Thank you.